William Ruto, William, everything is a blunder. You are making blunders after blunder. You are not going to survive this. 2027 presidential win utaionea kwa view sasa. And this one I can tell you for free, and you can bank it in Jesus Christ. Payslip ya wafanyikazi is a blunder. Uli make blunder. Kuimpeach Rigathi Gachagua, you made a blunder. Ignoring Mount Kenya that gave you significant votes is a blunder. Ruto, Bungoma na Kakamega yenye ilikupatia kura nyingi sana 2022. Sasa hivi there is a blunder because Sifuna has taken it over. Kuvuta kazi umevuta watu kutoka Mount Kenya is a blunder. You ignored Mama Mboga, who contributed much to your win 2022, na kijana ya boda boda na yule mwingine wa jua kali was a blunder. You considered the big boys into office was a blunder. The sabotage you did to Uhuru Kenyatta during the swearing in ceremony ama inauguration there Kasarani, when ulikuwa unapatiwa sword na Biblia na constitution, ulionyesha Uhuru Kenyatta madharau mpaka ukarevoke executive order numbers 1-2 kimadharau, mpaka marais wengine kutoka nje wakiwa hapo first day umeingia ofisini. Kwanza hata kabla utoka uwanjani ulimuonyesha madharau. Baba Odinga amekufa, ameenda kwa grave, kwa mchanga, akijua Ruto is not the genuine right president. As a matter of fact, the social contract that you signed with the people of Kenya 2022 has been terminated from their hearts. They don't have trust in you. That is a blunder. The potential candidates to replace you, starting with Dr. Fred Matiang'i, who is more competent, professional, organized, very objective, is a big challenge to compete with come 2027. It's a blunder on your side. Gachagua, whom you impeached today, giving you sleepless nights, mobilizing the country against your regime, at the same time, who is outside here leaking all the information from government, who has spies in your system, is a blunder. The mass exodus that is being expected to come soon, some of them already they have quit your government, starting with Aisha Jumwa, Nyandarua governor, vile Ndindi Nyoro, na wengi wenye washaondoka kwa timu yako, is a blunder. Who is gonna give you the headache you have between the ODM faction and the Kindiki faction about the power sharing is a blunder. How you gonna make it a second term president? It's not practical. What you are trying to do, and it's good I enlighten the country, mwite watu wakae kwa kiwanja, muwavalishe the merchandise of yellow, you command them to say 2 term, you create that narrative, you plan to steal elections, you create a perception so that you have room to steal an election. Let me tell you, Ruto, for this, and take it for free. The contest come 2027 is not about the United Opposition Team leaders. It's about the people of Kenya. Majority don't have confidence in you. So the risk you take is stealing their elections. They will evict you from State House. Don't even imagine or think of stealing the 2027 general elections. I've told you because I love my country. I've told you because it's good you have information before you enter into a crisis. Enruchi. next episode. So leave office, go home peacefully, because one term remains constant, and that is my clear research from the ground, and I have the freedom to express it and tell or update the country of the same. In which next episode is loading. Stay tuned and follow me back.